Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Docs voice typing for faster content drafts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. Sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in Google Docs, either open an existing document or create a new one. Go to the Tools menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Voice Typing. You will see a microphone icon appear on the left side of your document. Before you start, ensure your microphone is working correctly. Click on the microphone icon to activate voice typing. A prompt may ask for permission to use your microphone. Grant it. Once the microphone is active, you should see the icon turn red. Now, begin speaking clearly and at a steady pace. Google Docs will transcribe your speech into text in real time. If you make a mistake, you can say delete last sentence to correct it. You can also add punctuation by saying the word, such as period, comma, or question mark. To stop the voice typing, click the microphone icon again. Feel free to edit your text manually as needed after voice typing. You can use the same voice typing feature for multitasking by switching between documents. With practice, you'll find your workflow becomes much faster and more efficient. Enjoy creating your content drafts with voice typing in Google Docs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.